April 27th of 19 is what that car looked like the day we brought it home. All right, drive time. April 27th of 19, this car read 66,772.
That's when we got it.
Yeah. We didn't run the new engine until March 20th. Huh.
Well,
March?
yeah.
So what's today's date?
March 16th.
We started the new engine in 2021.
Yep. We got it back right before Christmas.
First drive. Well, we didn't really drive it for another 5 months because we were doing stuff. 66,778. So we put 6 miles on it around the neighborhood, huh?
That was when the front clip was off.
Oh no, that's wrong. We drove it around the neighborhood before August.
Yeah.
And then here we go with the drives. And then at some point, October 28th of 23, there it is. October 28th of 23, 67,889.3. 67,889.3. So there is proof. October 28th is the last time it was driven or started.
Yeah.
5 months. And temperature is well below 190. That's it. That's how it's supposed to do it. All right, everybody, welcome back. I guess Joe and I just got off the phone, and he's actually asking me to do a little explanation as to what's really going on here and why I'm spending so much time on things other than Mr. Jones right now. So it's no secret. Everybody who's been watching has seen a lot of stuff happening on my car and not a lot of stuff happening on this car. And it's not that we're abandoning this project, because we most certainly are not. And most recently, you've seen me pull this out of the trailer, and I'm saying I want to get the trailer, ready for the season. I put new tires on the trailer, cleaning the trailer out today. What's going on? So what's going on is Joe and I have a pretty cool trip planned with my car. And that's happening in the really, really, really close future. So with the advent of spring, how things get busy, I had no choice but to prioritize getting this ready for this trip. So it's going to be happening. It's going to be happening real soon. We want everybody to stick around and keep watching. I can't tell you what it is. I'm excited. I'm thrilled about this. It's all coming together. We're going to put all of this on the road. Can't even tell you where we're going just yet. But it's going to be cool. Okay? I promise you it's going to be cool. It's something I've been wanting to do for a long, long time. So stick around. Be patient. There'll be more of this. It's nice and shiny and patina-y. It's like I painted, guys. Sorry. And what else can I share? Put some new lights in here. Wheel bearings are greased. Truck is serviced. Ready to go. We're going to hit the road. And I will bring you along, certainly, as this begins to unfold. All right. Thanks for watching.